Hello, everyone, and welcome to our demo of ZoneOut. Have you ever been in a meeting or a lecture and realized you just missed the last 5 minutes? Maybe you decided to go cook or go to the restroom, or maybe you just dozed off. Well, we have the solution for you. All you do is enter in your Zoom meeting. From there, we stream all the data into our custom AI that learns everything the teacher is saying and showing. From there, you're able to search through anything and get caught up to speed in no time. So I'll show you how it works right now. What I'll do is I'll start this meeting and I'll be simulating as if I'm the teacher and you'll see it in front of me. And what I'll do is I'll say a name, maybe like a certain animal or a certain color, and then I'll also show on my phone another name liking a certain color. So just to show beforehand, um, the show. She has no idea what my favorite color is. Um, Perfect. Nothing. So what I'll do is I'll join the Zoom meeting. You'll see. Maya's favorite animal is a turtle. Maya's favorite color is green. Perfect. And you see, it works amazing. It learns everything in real time. You saw it in front of you. I didn't even tell it that my favorite color is black. I just showed it on my phone, and from there, it learned everything. Now, what you're seeing in front of you is not the official implementation of Zoom RTMS or real-time media stream because that isn't officially out. This is the platform that they gave us to simulate the media being streamed, but they told us that this is exactly how it would work. So we can take our exact implementation and put it straight into the Zoom API once it comes out. Um, so our behind the scenes architecture is actually very interesting. We're using both LLM text-based RAG and VLM-based RAG or vision-based RAG. And I'll explain those in a second. They kind of run in parallel. The first thing is the text-based RAG. So what we do is we take a transcription of what the teacher is saying and cut it every time that she pauses. So we get little chunks of what the teacher's been saying. And from there, we put it into the OpenAI ADA embedding model, and from there, we're able to put it into ChromaDB where we can use similarity search and query with any user query, get any single um get any like amount of similar sentences that we want. Now, on the other side, we have a very interesting architecture, implementing a model called call poly. Now, what call poly does is instead of using the traditional multimodal way of using RAG, where we OCR the text of an image and then take screenshots or try to break down the components further, it actually indexes the whole image. And from there, we're able to do RAG on these images. So we have our model set up in a way where we screenshot everything the teacher's showing every 10 to 20 seconds. And from there, we're able to put a user query and get the most relevant images from what the teacher has shown so far. And then at the end, we combine the most relevant images, the most relevant sentences or blocks of what the teacher has said from the ChromaDB, combine them, put them into the OpenAI API to word it kind of nicely, and this is the output that you get on the right. We also ended up using Windsurf to kind of move some of these UI elements around, change the color a little bit like that. Um, Thank you so much for watching the demo, and I look forward to hearing any feedback you guys might have. Thank you so much.